Hello student, this is Anushka from Inspire with Anushka channel. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, today we are going to discuss about the nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism, and from the simplest form we are going to start with the animal nutrition. So we firstly discuss the simplest form of animal, that is a unicellular organism, that how the feeding mechanism and how the feeding process or the nourishment process completes in amoeba, that is a unicellular organism. Does it have the specialized organ for the completion of ingestion process, digestion process, absorption, assimilation and egestion? Because these are the 5 most important steps that occurs in the digestion process or the nutrition fulfillment process of animals. Okay, so every animals, either that is singular or they are multicellular, they have to go through with all these 5 steps, that are the ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Again and again I am repeating it because by listening again and again it will be memorized in your memory and stuck in your memory. Whenever the question is going to be asked that what are the different types of steps that occurs in the animal nutrition, then you can easily give the answer. Okay guys, so the mode of nutrition of amoeba is also holozoic. Being an animal, it has the holozoic mode of nutrition. Previously also we have discussed, whenever we studied about the ingestion process, that how amoeba inject the food inside. So we have discussed there that they have the pseudopodia. It means they have the false leg by which the food is taken inside their body, because they have a unregular body shape, because they are able to change their body shape with any wise, because amoeba is a only single animal which about which you can draw the diagram with any shape. You can do like this, you can make any circular, because it is irregular in shape. There is no any permanent shape. Whenever amoeba see a food, they starts to producing 2 projections outside on their outside body surface towards their food. Okay, so whenever it goes towards near the food, it just engulf the food, and the both ends which are separated joints with the cytoplasm, and the food is engulfed, and food is always be kept in in this like form, and this hole which is made because of the taking of food from the outer side is known as food vacuole. Okay guys, so I have a diagram to show you all. With the diagram, hope this all things will be cleared. So let's look over the diagram. In the amoeba, you will see that ingestion of food captured, as there is no mouth in amoeba. Ingestion process always occurs with the help of pseudopodia. Okay, so after engulfing the food, the tips of pseudopodia at this point of contact dissolve. As a result, the food get encircled into the cell in a rounded structure, and that forms the food vacuole. Previously also I have said it. Okay, so then after the digestion process occurs, and the food vacuoles acts as a temporary stomach for the digestion. The enzymes secreted by the cell cytoplasm digest the ingested food, and then after the assimilation process occurs. In the assimilation, the digested materials occurs help of diffusion process. The dissolved food diffused into the cytoplasm. You know cytoplasm, cyto it means cell and plasm it means liquid. So the liquid which is filled inside this cell or the body of amoeba is known as cytoplasm, and all this nutrition are absorbed in the cytoplasm. Okay guys, so and this nutrition helps in the growth of amoeba. Okay, and lastly, egestion process occurs, in which it undergoes with the different types of situation, in which it excrete out the food vacuole, and the undigested food is stored in the food vacuole, and whenever this food vacuoles start slightly moving towards the periphery region, and when it enters or go on the boundary area, it bursts and excrete out all this nutrition, all this undigested food, that is the best material of the amoeba body. So hopefully by this the process of nutrition completes in amoeba. Hope you all like this. So with all these things, we came to an end of today's video. And thank you so much for giving your attention. For more some videos like this, please watch my channel. Thank you so much.